I'm Shannon with Chehalem Property Management, here with my friends John and Jeremy from Pollinate. The seasons are changing and we would like to give you some tips on how to best prepare your yards and gardens for winter. Jeremy, can you tell us a little bit about the background of Pollinate?
We moved to the property here in Dundee in 2012. We moved here with the goal of growing unique produce and herbs, creating a mini ecosystem. So we did that for the first few years, started planting in 2014, and since then we've planted 700 species of plants on the property. We are a flower farm predominantly. We're doing a little bit of specialty produce mixed in with those flowers. And so we provide weekly deliveries for businesses and wineries, and we're looking to expand that into doing more events and weddings this coming year.
Could you give our viewers a few tips on how to prepare a garden for winter?
Sure. Cleaning up the plant material that's dying in the gardens, the perennials or the vegetables that you have. It's a great time to cut those down to the ground, get that material out into your compost pile or your yard debris can. Another thing to consider is covering the soil in some way. Rain can hit the ground at 30 miles an hour, so that does a lot of compacting to the soil throughout the winter. Probably the easiest thing to do is to get yourself some compost, put an inch or so down over the garden space. That'll really protect the soil. The other big thing is lawn care. This time of year, there's a lot of leaves that fall on the lawn. Many people do rake them and bag them. An alternative method really is to actually mow them into the grass. So if you just run your mower across the leaves and shred them all up, they're going to decompose naturally back right where they came from, and so you're creating a cycle of nutrients there.
Thank you so much for those insights. If you'd like to learn more about Pollinate, you may visit the link in the comments of the video below or go to pollinateflowers.com.